When I was young, I asked my brother to help me buy the buy something. Okay, so this one we use black wire and cut it 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter here. 30 centimeter, and this time we will make the ring same technique as this one, but this technique we can change the beads size so it come out the design look different, just the different size but the same technique. So beads we go with the 6 millimeter, then we fold at 8.5. okay, then here rubber 2 here. So this way fold here, so then move out and touch here. I'm not move the volume down here, and rubber and rubber here. This okay. This one rubber. So this ring, if your size is small, actually you can cut the wire short like 25. But 30 centimeter is a ring size that's most good for most sides. This design 30 centimeter is good for most of the sides. Okay, size 8. Okay, so it come this ring with this black wire. Okay, this is the last ring. Next we will going to show with you use the wire make a bracelet. So the ring by the wire 0.8 we made by this. Yeah, and you will find that we use the copper wire to make a lot of the different rings in this way, in this way, in this way, and here the same technique. So these are all the different ring we made by the different sides of the wire. The wire we use is this wire. If you want to try to make it by yourself, you can get a pack of wire here. The price is 12.5. You can get the wire from my shop.